to change currency in Asos. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can change currency in Asos. So if you want to change your currency, all you have to do is just log in into your account. For that, open up a browser and then on the web address bar type in www.asos.com. That's going to direct you to their official page, and which is going to look something like this. So if you're using a desktop, it's very easy for you to change the currency type. But if you're using a mobile phone, then you'll have to log in and click on the gear icon, and from there you need to go to the list that says change currency, and accordingly you'll be able to change. But if you're using a desktop or a PC, you have to just go ahead and tap on the flag icon located right on top, and here you can see you need to first of all select the country. Accordingly your currency type will also be changed. Click on update preferences, and accordingly your currency will be changed. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.